Welcome to our quick Psychrometrics refresher. Today we are reviewing the sensible heat factor, a handy ratio that tells us how much of the cooling we do is sensible cooling versus latent cooling. Here is our situation. Air enters a cooling coil at 80 degrees Fahrenheit dry bulb and 67 degrees Fahrenheit wet bulb. We are told the specific enthalpy at this entry point is 31.6 BTU per pound of dry air. Air leaves the coil at 55 degrees dry bulb and 54 degrees wet bulb, with an enthalpy of 22.6 BTU per pound dry air. We also know that 25% of the total heat removal is latent heat. The question asks for the sensible heat factor, which we define as the sensible heat divided by the total heat. Let's draw a visualization. We have a cooling coil represented by this blue box. Air comes in from the left, flows through the coil, and leaves on the right with lower temperature and enthalpy. We'll note the entering state H1 equals 31.6 and the exit state H2 equals 22.6, along with their dry and wet bulb temperatures. The sensible heat factor, or SHF, is defined as the sensible heat divided by the total heat. We can write that as Q sub S sensible over Q sub T OT total. If 25% of the total heat removal is latent, the sensible portion must be the remaining 75%. Substituting those values into our SHF equation gives us 75% times the total over the total. The total cancels, leaving us with SHF equals 0.75. So the answer to the multiple choice is C, 0.75.